Back inside Falls Foundation Repair, having a morning conversation with the quarterback of the team, Mike Mentor. And during the winter months, when there's no water, there's no moisture, should we be concerned about our foundation? What kind of, do you repair in January?
We do. So you should always be concerned with your foundation, regardless of the time of year. But certainly in the winter months, we do a lot of foundation repair work. It's not as busy as it is in June, July, and August, but it is the opposite end of the spectrum. And so if you have doors that are sticking, window separation, and you have stair-step bricks in your brick crack, there's no better time than today. It's only going to get worse. Foundation repairs do not fix themselves. They do not go away. They only get worse.
Yes, that is so true. It doesn't go away. I know sometimes you're like, well, maybe if we get a good rain, it'll balance everything back up and the doors don't stick that bad. But if that happens, it's going to be dry around here again. It's going to get worse.
When we start hearing that comment that, well, when it rains, our doors work, or it'll repair the cracks, that's actually the number one indicator of foundation repair needs. If your home is hydraulicing based upon moisture cycles, you certainly need foundation repair of some sort. If you get it early, sometimes it's not costly as you think.
Yeah.
And we can certainly provide financing for you that is very competitive with little to no money out of pocket and a very small monthly payment.
Mm-hmm. And Falls Foundation Repair has that as an option. I've learned because they're very loyal to their clients and they're community focused. I don't think they see it here as like, oh, we could make money this way. That's not what it's about at all. It's like, no, there's a lot of foundations out there in our community that need some leveling up, that need some support. And that's in a way what Falls Foundation Repair does, is it's supporting the community.
Oh, that's awful nice of you to say, Adam, but you're
well, I don't
correct.
think you realized it that way, but it's true.
It made my heart hurt, or my heart swell. The facts are, is we've been here at the same location for over a decade. I've lived in the same house for over a decade. My daughter graduated from a local school here, and we do quite a bit of community service. My wife is on several boards, and I'm involved with several nonprofits as well. And we do support the community, and we appreciate you supporting us back, community. We really truly do. And if we can help in any way, like I said, we would be honored to be invited into your home to do a free, no cost evaluation, and would even be honored more if you allowed us to, repair your home to get it back on stable ground.
Yeah. I like that, stable ground for our community. Hey, thanks, Mike.
Thanks, Adam.
We appreciate that.
We appreciate you,
We'll
too.
see you next time.